Oh, really? What is that? The refinisher product? I mean, some stuff you get good discounts, some you don't. You ain't getting shit.
No.
Alright, moment of truth.
Not yet.
Picking this thing up. Does he have the GAT curse?
Start with the negative side first.
Alright, negative is on there.
Negative terminal's good.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Put the key in.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Yeah, give her a couple rubs, you know what I mean?
Come on.
Right. Fire that motherfucker up.
Oh.
Damn. Sorry, anticlimactic. What the dog doing?
I gotta check engine light too.
Womp, womp, womp.
Oh, is my throttle like pinned?
Yes, that's why. Hold on. All right, we got it unstrapped. So now we gotta give it more love.
Real love. All right.
Might fail. All right, here we go.
We got power. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
All right, it's neutral.
Yep.
There we go. Womp, womp.
It might just need a jump. The battery might not be full charge. I don't know.
Alright. Alright, so I have a battery pack that can jump your car off right here. It says 92 on it. That means it actually jumped off our motorcycle in our instance, and it freaking works. So, now what we have to do, we gotta let that charge up for a minute to see if it's going to keep running or start up by itself. And then we got to go down there and get on this hill so that way we could take the bike off if it'll start back up by itself. If not, then it's not his battery. Even though I keep telling him it's not the battery. I don't think it's the battery. But here's big body ram. Nice and pretty. She's a little dirty. But I don't think it's the battery. Me personally, I think it's his alternator. But, you know, we out here in GAT. Hopefully he doesn't have the GAT curse. But if he does, then I don't know what to tell him. Finally got the bike up and running.
What?
So finally got the bike up and running. Don't worry, I'm gonna blow your face out, Mr. Brody. Got a brand new battery in her. She's running now. Prince Howdy right here. This man is pretty. Jeez. Alright, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. We're going to be dropping more content, more Gatlinburg stuff. Stay tuned. There's Trent right there. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.